Hey. So, welcome back to my channel, my friends. I went to get my hair done. It was a hair treatment. Hydro something works. I'm so bad at it. So, mao ni siyang resulta kay iyahang gikulot. And iyahang gitudluan ang saan pagkulot sa akong hair. Kanang lingaw ko kako siyang ginaana ang akong part paingon diri pero yang gi-part diri so tanaw akong buhok sige og sukol, di ba? Ato kaya ning balhinon. Sorry, kadit sa akong balhinon kay di man naanad akong buhok ana. Og balhinon na ako. Hala. Gross. Ay mas bagay siya og balhinon na ako lagi. Tan-awa lagi si Michael, wala lagi naminaw nako. Tara. No, di ay na musukol jud siya. Mas bagay na siya, guys. Diba? I really like it this way. Mas bagay ni nga rin ang akong part. Namaksa ko yung mirror dire. Tara, okay na. Ay, na-fix na ako. Cute na kayo siya tanawon. As in, I'm so happy with my hair. Dayon, muadto ko og kuan, muadto ko og Home Depot. Kay mag-buy ko og boxes para sa akong place o para sa akong dudong kay mamalhin naman ni next week. So, tara. At nota. Aww, it's so cute. Di man ko ganang curls. Good. Ang treatment kay nice kay siya. $30 daw to. Yara man tong gilibre sa ko. Kay naman ko himo ang video niya. Nag-video po for him. So, iyahan ang gilibre. Tapos iya pa yung style. So, 12:30 ko ato ning ato. 12:30. Happy 2 hours. Spend siya mga 2 hours akong hair, in fairness. Tapos nag-chika man sa good me. I feel like I'm a model today. I feel like a model. Feels sexy and beautiful. So nag-away mi ni Dudong. So niadto siya sa kong gipuy-an. Naghimo siya og kuan sulat. Nagsulat dai gibutang sa kong puntahan. Niya nasi paborito na ako iyang gihatag na M&M's. Away man mi good kagahapon. Tungod man ako sa puton man sa ko. Disapot ra ko ba? Nya basag sa puton ko kay siya. Kailangan man na niya sulbaron dahil ako siya ging nani ko sa puton ko. Natural ra gud na sa puton ko ay lang pag-imbestigar ra pag ayo kung anong gisapot ko. So mo. Yeah. Dira ako nag-work sa una day. Dara ka na nga building. Kada diyot lang, dili siya yung nakakadukuan, kadaghan. I'm so excited.
Wait, here it is.
It's coming! I just want to take it here.
Thank you.
I wish the camera could smell it. It smells so good. This
It
is
looks really good too.
fajitas hawaianas. And my baby got his favorite.
Carnitas.
How do you say it, love?
Carnitas.
Carnitas. Okay, it's carnitas. And we're gonna eat. We are at Señor Salta. We are moving. Sabi na ko wala ko yung sapatos. Naday ko yung dagang sapatos. I lied.
Don't forget that you don't want to pack things that you're going to be needing.
Yes. Yeah. That was so fast. I'm a fast packer, love.
Here,
empty
Quite
closet.
empty. You're missing your hats.
I know. Then I got my pineapple skirt. It's very pineapple-y. And I got your t-shirts here. That's when I stole them. I know I wouldn't forget you. Soon to blow my mind. This is my favorite boots. Gikan ni siya sa Target. Boots ni siya sa winter. And I have another one. Super. Baby, do you like this? I don't think I like it. I used to wear this.
Oh? I think I've ever seen you wear them.
Yeah, I never wore it anymore. What do you think?
No. They look like... Yeah, they're too big on top.
Yeah.
Maybe over jeans?
Yes, I
but
used to wear this with jeans.
Yeah.
But I look so short
They
with
look
it.
like mud boots.
Ari na pud mi sa akong dudong nagpack. Yeah, ako aning bike, dire na ako gibutang sa iyang kwarto. Special food. Pak ni daghan pa siya butang pa siya sa kuha dots. Gipak pak 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 pak. Hugaw na kayo ang place kay ngano nag-wait man gud mi na makabalhin na ba. So, di na lang mi na mga limpyo. Hey, baby!
I love.
Playing music?
Yeah.
Wait, do it again. Napak na nako iyang kuang mga gamit plato na dere. Tas mga you're so funny. Alright, so this is Milagro tequila. And this is Lizal's. Ouch, 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 ouch. Why are you laughing? It's
Way to ruin your video.
It's my favorite, but I can't even hold it. Ugh, help! Baby, help me!
How much do you want?
Can you pour it? I want a lot.
How are you? Is this cold for you?
Yeah.
Maybe my hands just don't.
Shoot! Maybe I'm like sensitive to the
Cold?
cold.
Yeah,
and
this
then-
doesn't bother me at all. It's not even cold for me.
That is super cold for me.
Yeah. nothing. Yeah.
For real? Okay,
Yeah.
let me try and hold it like this. Okay, that's cold.
Yeah, no. I mean, it's a little uncomfortable if I hold it here. If I just hold it with my fingertips, though, it's better.
Okay, I think we're reverse. Baby,
That
can
good?
you add more?
Yeah? Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Like
And
8
then-
shots.
Fanta nga, pineapple nga Fanta. Lami kaayo sa tanan.
If you get hungry, we can make...
Say lami. Oh, baby, I'm gonna leave some for you because you like it too. Here. It's good. I love it. Tequila. Tequila.
Tequila.
Tequila. Ooh.
Half of my bottle is tequila.
Oh my god, I'm so clumsy.
Tequila.
Clumsy, clumsy. Did I say clumsy?
Clumsy.
Clumsy.
Clumsy. My baby's so clumsy.
Baby, I put too much tequila.
I'm gonna say, it seems like a lot. They're like, can you put more? And I'm like, I guess.
Well, I guess I'm gonna get drunk. And it's your fault.
It is your fault.
And then
For asking for more tequila when I had put the perfect amount.
soft, juicy mango para sa inyong tiyan. Lami. And this one is not lami. This is the chili. Chili mama. Jelly mama mama. And baby is drinking. Oh, okay. I know why my tequila doesn't taste good.
Why?
Because I forgot to put ice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't put ice, so I need to put ice.
Oh, we ran out of ice.
Oh yeah, okay. That's fine. It was a little cold anyway.
Yeah, no, it's all cold because you had a cold drink.
Can I have some, baby?
Yeah, it's not cold yet.
Oh, that tastes good. Tastes like a Coke. Coke. Coco. Human na atong vlog karong gabi una o adlaw. So, sa sunod na sad mga amigs. Okay. Say bye, baby love.
Bye, baby love.
Say goodbye to this vlog. It's for today.
Goodbye to this vlog for today.
Bye! Bye! So, mag-inom ko og tequila. Magsimba mi ugma, pero among simba kay ini kuan ikahapon pa. So, we are good. Bye!